Welcome to our Introduction to Animation in the 3D Animation and Modeling program Blender. So this tutorial is just to show you how really easy it is to get objects to move around in this program. Let's go over to our Properties panel here and click on our little gold cube. This gives you your object properties. And now let's go down to our timeline and enter 60 for our frames. The timeline measures your animation in frames, and it's set to a default of 250 frames, which is actually kind of long. So let's just go ahead and limit it to 60, and then go ahead and drag your object over to the left. And the way that we work animation in Blender is to add keyframes into the timeline. And you add a keyframe by hovering your mouse over the location in this case and pressing I. And that's going to give you a keyframe at frame 0. And then we can drag our cursor, playhead, forwards through our timeline, and then drag our object along the y-axis, hover over location one more time and press I, and then this gives us our second keyframe. And now we can go down here to our transport and press play, and we'll see our animation play across the screen. You can also press Option A to pause or play your animation as a keyboard shortcut. And that is pretty much all there is to basic animation in Blender.